Hello, this is Coni Otto, and have you ever gotten a piece of mail from WSSC that says buy this insurance for the line that goes from your house? It goes from, probably approximately where that hose bib, all the way out here to WSSC's line. So I've gotten it. I've lived in this house for 14 years probably, and I've gotten that letter every year, maybe twice a year, asking me to buy this insurance. So if the pipe breaks from your house out to WSSC, it's insurance, you don't have to pay for it. It's very cheap, about $100, maybe a year, I think. But I'm telling you, buy it. Buy that insurance. Don't be like me and not get it. You need to get this insurance. The insurance covers if the pipe breaks, they'll come in and they'll replace the pipe for this $100 you spend a year or however much it is. You might want to call WSSC is my water company. Your water company may be somebody else, but you need to buy the insurance. And I'm going to show you every step of the way what we had to go through. And also, get a lot of bids. The water company gives you plumbers that are certified, WSSC certified plumbers, and you call them out, and we got about, I'd say, 6 bids. We got so many people out here looking. They ranged from $4,500 to over $20,000. Can you imagine? What a range, what a ripoff. Okay, luckily we did our research. We had a bunch of people come out. We wanted someone local in our community. We live in Laurel, so we wanted someone local. And I will put the information down below for the plumber we used. Cost us $4,500 to get it done when it could have cost me $100. And Allstate, I just renewed my home insurance and they offered it to me for $66 a year, and I declined it. So I'm just telling you, as a homeowner, buy the insurance that runs you from your house out to the street, because you are responsible for that pipe. Okay, don't be like me. We were out of water for like a week, but our plumber, the plumber that we did pick, told us about how we could take our neighbors, we could hook up from our neighbor's water to our hose, our outside hose, which would give us water in our entire house, which is a great tip. Our neighbors were very, very nice. Our neighbors were very, very cool. They let us hook up their water to our house. And, and then we had water until we got the pipe fixed. But definitely buy that insurance. It is worth it. You don't want to have to go through what we went through and to get it fixed. All right. If you like this video, please hit the like button. I love those like buttons. Follow me on YouTube and leave a comment. If you have a comment, you had a similar experience, leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.